Yeah, good day everyone. It's nice to be back with you. And now, in today's video, we'll actually discuss something that you have never seen during the construction of the building, which is the foundation. Now, what is the foundation type depend on the types of building and how you want to do it. Now, before we proceed, please do help us to subscribe, like, or comment on my video. Thank you. No matter how beautiful your house looks, if the foundation is weak, the entire building is at risk. Crack may occur, uneven settlement, and even your building could collapse. And to begin with, all this begin with poor foundation. Now, in today's video, we explain the major types of foundation used in construction and where each one of them is used and how it is chosen for the right building. Whether you are planning to build your dream home or you are simply curious about construction, this video is simply for you. Now, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about one of the most important parts of the building, which is the foundation. By the end of the video, you understand the common foundation types and why selecting the right one can save you money and prevent serious structural problems. Now, a foundation is the lowest part. What is a foundation? A foundation is the lowest part of the building that transfers the load from the sculptural body to the ground. Now, think of it as the root of a tree. Now, just as long as the roots can keep a tree standing during storm, a strong foundation keeps the building stable for decades. A good foundation should support the entire weight of the building, prevent excessive settlement, resist moisture and ground movement, provide long-term stability and safety. Choosing the wrong foundation can result in expensive repair and structural damage. Now, let's read the type of the foundation that we have. The strip one, we have the strip foundation. The strip foundation is one of the most common foundation types used for residential building. It consists of a continuous strip of concrete placed beneath the load-bearing walls. The foundation spreads the building loads evenly along the length of the wall. Safe foundation are suitable when the soil structure is of good capacity. The building is one of two-story building, the wall carrying the building loads. Now, advantages of this includes it's very simple to construct, it's very affordable, suitable for residential projects. However, it is not ideal for weak or waterlogged soil. Now, another type of foundation we have is the isolated part foundation. An isolated part foundation is designed to support individual columns. Each column rests on its own reinforced concrete pad that distributes load to the ground. This type of foundation is commonly used in framed buildings, warehouses, schools, and commercial structures. The advantages includes economical for column-supported building, easy to construct, require less concrete than larger foundation system. Now, you have another type of foundation, which is the Raft foundation. A Raft foundation is also called a mat foundation. It's a large reinforced concrete slab covering the entire or most part of the building area. Instead of supporting foundation walls or columns, support the entire structures. Raft foundations are commonly used when the soil is weak, columns are closely spaced, differential settlement is a concern. The advantages of a raft foundation include excellent load distribution, reduced settlement, increased stable structural stability. Although more expensive than the strip foundation, raft foundation provides a greater safety on poor soil conditions. Another type of foundation we have is a pipe foundation. A pipe foundation are used when the upper soil layers cannot safely support building. Long concrete, steel, or timber piles are driven or bored deep into the ground until they reach stronger soil or rock. Pile foundations are commonly used for high-rise buildings, bridges, waterfront structures, buildings on soft or swampy ground. Advantages include very high load capacity, suitable for difficult soil conditions, long-lasting performance. Because they require specialized equipment and skills, pile foundations usually are more expensive. Now, another type of foundation, which is a combined footing foundation. A combined foundation supports two or more columns using reinforced concrete footings. It is used when columns are close together. Property boundaries limit footing size. Separate foundation would overlap. Combined foundation helps distribute loads effectively and efficiently while reducing construction difficulties. How to choose the right foundation depends on several factors and the best for the foundation of building. This includes the type, soil type and bearing capacity, building size and number of floors, groundwater level, total floor load or building load, local building regulations and construction budget. Before construction begins, it's always recommended to carry out a proper soil investigation and consult a qualified structural engineer. Remember, safety first in your building construction. You don't manage materials and you don't do a labor. Okay, your safety is utmost important. Now, the foundation is the backbone of every safe and durable building. Whether it is strip foundation, part foundation, raft foundation, pile foundation, or combined footing foundation, each serves a specific purpose depending on the soil and the type of structure. Choosing the right foundation isn't just about saving money, it's about protecting lives and ensuring your building stands strong for generations to come. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your loved one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.